Hey drummers, I'm Jim Linsner, and this is Danusha Beats on the video and editing. This is right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, part 2. Today we're going to take that sticking and we're going to play it in 30-second notes, quite a bit faster than before. And we're going to check out 3 really amazing fills that Manu Katche played on the song, the 25th of July. So right around 3:11 in the track 25th of July, Manu Katche plays this amazing fill. I'm going to play it for you right now. Check it out. Killer fill, right? What I want to do is I want to focus on just the first 2 beats of that fill, which is actually our sticking played twice in 30-second notes, okay? And the move he does is the right hand goes snare, floor, small, snare, floor, small. All the while the left hand is just playing on the snare, ghost notes. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to play half a measure of a groove, and then I'm going to play half a measure of our sticking in 30-second notes, same orchestration that Manu did. Check it out. Then, at about 4 minutes and 6 seconds into the song, he plays another fill that has this sticking in it. Sounds like this. So again, I want to just focus on half of the fill, but it's going to be the second half this time because that's where he plays the sticking. So this time, he plays the sticking with the right hand moving between the snare and the small tom, back and forth. Okay? A really interesting thing happens when you take this sticking and you play it between 2 sound sources back and forth. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to play half a measure of a groove and then half a measure of our sticking, but this time with the right hand going snare, small, snare, small, snare, small, crash. Check it out. Then at 3 minutes and 40 seconds into the track, Manu plays the sticking again. This time it's just a half measure fill. Check it out. So in that fill, he actually doesn't play the exact sticking twice through. The second half of it, he kind of changes it up a little. But for our purposes, I'm going to play the sticking twice, and I'm going to use the orchestration he used, which is snare to loose hi-hat, back to snare, back to loose hi-hat, back to snare. And of course, every time he hits the loose hi-hat, he hits a bass drum with it. So here's the example. We're going to play half a measure of a slow 16th groove, and then we're going to play half a measure of the right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left sticking, going snare, hat, snare, hat, snare, hat. Check it out. Okay, just to recap, today we took the right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left sticking and we played it in 30-second notes. We played a couple of different orchestrations. Especially interesting is the orchestration where you go between 2 sound sources. So take it further. Feel free to do lots of different orchestrations, and remember, whenever you hit the loose hi-hat or a crash cymbal or a splash cymbal, hit the bass drum with it. Okay, and you can also do these fills twice as long. We focused on half measure long fills, but you could certainly play it for a measure or a measure and a half or 2 measures or whatever. Okay, so feel free, feel obligated to really explore and try different things. Okay, one last thing, Manu Katche is a wonderful player. Make sure you check out the recording It's About Time by Manu Katche, as well as all his other stuff, because he's such a creative, clever, interesting player. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. I'm Jim Linsner. See you next time.